Hey guys, stay tuned for this episode. I'm going to talk about my M1 Finance 3-month update and review of M1 Finance. So let's get into it. The title is what it is. This is my 3-month exact anniversary of getting into M1 Finance. I started on August 6th. Today is November 6th. So let's show you around the account. And before we get started, any of you that don't know about M1 Finance, it's a stock trading platform where you can buy fractional shares, commission free. You can build up your account at your own pace. You can get fractional shares, grow your dividends, and in my opinion, it's a very, very good stock platform to grow your account at your own pace. I've been doing daily deposits and 3 months, and I've already built my account up to 3,600. That's just the power of daily deposits and building my account up slowly. So I think that's a very good job. I believe I started with 500, and then I just started doing daily deposits from that. So let's get into the account. This week I'm up. It's overall down market, almost $1 in dividends this week. Let's show you the activity that I have today. So today is Tuesday. Today is the only day that I don't have set deposit. I deposit what I want depending on the market and depending on what I want to buy. So today I added $105, and I did get a $20 adjustment to my account for somebody that signed up using my link, so I do appreciate that. I will have a link down below, and I just want to show you this is evidence they will add 20 to my account, and they will add 20 to your account when you sign up using that link. So it's a nice hit, nice increase on your account right off the bat, because if you deposit $100 and you get $20 added to your account, it's basically like a 20% bonus on your account. So this I will have a link down below. They are running a special this month where you do get the 20. It's usually only $10, but through the end of this month it is $20. So it helps me and it helps you, so it's a win-win situation. So let's show you what I bought today. These are the accounts I bought today. I mainly stuck to the consumer, the defense consumables type stocks today. McDonald's has been one of my better ones, so I added that one. Walmart, Cisco Foods, they had a down earnings yesterday, so I bought a little bit on the dip today. Starbucks had good earnings a few days ago, so I averaged cost up on them. So anything else on that count? Let's just go over the holdings a little bit. But again, this is my review of them, and I can't say enough about M1 Finance so far. It's only been 3 months, but I have nothing but good things to say about them. I will say one negative, because I don't want to blow smoke up everybody. The one thing I don't like is the one time frame that you're allowed to buy during the day. So every day it buys at approximately an hour into the market. So 9:30, so 10:30 Eastern time every day is about when it buys, and it just seems like I wish I had a little bit more flexibility on when I'm buying some of these stocks. But other than that, that is the only negative I have so far on it. So as you can see, my top holding stock is McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Walmart. Plug is kind of a speculative one that if it jumps, a couple of years ago it jumped to I think $11 a share. So, and I do have 62 shares of this. So if it does have another bump again, I want to take effect of that. It's a slow moving stock. But other than that, there's not really much to say. The market's still in kind of an area where it could still go either way. The SPY has been kind of flat a little bit, a little upward movement, but it's still been flat. So again, guys, happy investing out there. And if you enjoy these videos, click like and subscribe. I do different platforms of videos. I do, peer-to-peer lending. I do stocks. I do real estate. I do day trading. So a little bit for everyone that's looking to make extra income, either passively or not so passively. So take care. Happy investing out there. Bye.